Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be painting some fall rocks for you. But today I'm going to be painting with something a little bit more fun than just regular old paint. I am going to be painting with these acrylic pens. Yes, I said that right. These are acrylic pens that have paint inside of them, and then you could just simply paint on rocks, paper, canvas, anything you would like to paint on. These things are amazing. I love the fact that I don't have to get out all my paints and paintbrushes and everything. I just have everything in one simple marker. If you guys are interested in these acrylic paint markers, I will leave the link down below. Now let's get to the video. Okay, as you can see here, I am just painting a fall tree. I took my gold and painted the tree at first. I do not have any brown in this kit that I received, but I went ahead and used the gold because gold is used for fall as well. And then I just took my orange, yellow, and red marker and painted some leaves on the tree and painted Happy Fall. And of course, you can't have fall without pumpkins, so I took my orange marker and colored 3 ovals, and then I took another orange marker and kind of painted where you can see the outline of the pumpkins, and then I took gold and traced all of the outline and also put a few little sprigs here and there, and took some green and added some greenery as well. I am taking my yellow marker and just adding a few flowers. These are sunflowers. Next up, I'm going to paint 2 smaller rocks completely gold. On one of the rocks, I am going to write family, and on the other rock, I'm going to write blessed. Once I am done with that, I'm just going to kind of put some polka dots on the family and blessed, and then I'm going to add some fall leaves to it as well. On to the next rock. This rock is fairly simple. The only thing I'm going to do is just continuously add polka dots to the whole rock and to make a pattern. You don't have to make a pattern, just kind of go with the flow on the dots. On this rock, I'm going to simply add some red, some orange, and some yellow to make a fall leaf. Now for the last rock, I'm just going to simply add a sunflower. Once all of the rocks have been painted and dried, you are going to go ahead and just use some Mod Podge to put over top so that way it seals the rock. I know that you can seal the rocks with other paints and things like that, but this is what I use, and it's a cheaper way of sealing and adding some shine to your rock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.